Are you serious?
And
Josh today randomly brought up this thing where he said, oh, I can just leave at any time. He kind of made me a little concerned that he was just gonna walk out at any point.
24 hours remain! How you
let's
doing?
go! Yay!
What's life been like with the short chain?
Pretty rough.
Yeah, sleep was awful last night.
Before we shrink down to a foot, Josh, I don't know if this is the time to tell Susie if there's something you want to bring up.
One thing in particular I had to sew.
Tell me!
Okay, so the last 8 months of us dating,
Okay.
I was saving for an engagement ring that I ended up buying, but my plan was on your family vacation, I was gonna propose under the waterfall.
Are you serious?
And we broke up before that happened.
That makes me want to cry.
When we broke up, I sold the ring and I bought a motorcycle.
Oh, I actually don't know what to say. You had an engagement ring for me?
Yeah. I'm sorry. It's okay.
He got a motorcycle out of it.
I got a motorcycle out of it, exactly.